Hello friends, and welcome to Princy's Authentic Kitchen. Today I'm going to be making this hot sauce, what I have learned from my brother. This is a really spicy hot sauce. So I'm going to show you this recipe step by step.
Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified any updates.
900 grams of habanero peppers. I have removed the stems, but the seeds are in. As you know, this is a really hot sauce, suicide sauce. I have about 200 grams of jalapeno peppers, 250 grams of cherry hot peppers, washed, and they are I have removed the stems. 300 grams of garlic. I'm going to put them in. I'm going to put it separately so that when I'm grinding it, I will add that little by little. 6 medium onions. I have cleaned it. Half bunch of coriander leaf, about 100 grams of coriander leaf. What I'm going to be doing right now is cutting these up into small pieces. I'm just going to leave the peppers and I'm going to be cutting the onions. The ingredient for this bad boy sauce is vinegar. So vinegar, you don't add no water whatsoever. So I'm going to be blending this sauce with only vinegar and vinegar by itself. And I will tell you at the end of the video how much vinegar I have used, to be exact. As you can see, I just cut this in just in quarters. I have cut the onions as well. So I'm gonna put just a little bit of everything. So I got some onion. I'm gonna throw in some peppers. It doesn't matter because anyways you're gonna be grinding all the ingredients. So you can do however you feel. A bit of the coriander, some more of the peppers, a little bit more of the garlic. So first I'm adding just over 2 cups. So like I said, you don't have to be worrying about how much vinegar you put, or it's going to be like, you know, very strong taste or sour taste. You don't have to worry about that at all. Go ahead and put the lid on. Alright, so I have finished grinding this. So this is it. You want to have like no pieces. You want to grind them completely to a smooth paste. So I'm gonna grind the next batch. Make sure you get everything from the grinder. This is goodness. This is good stuff. Okay, so you guys can see that I have about 3 liters of this sauce. Good mix. Now I'm going to start to boil this. So let me show you the next step. You guys can see I have brought this pot to the stove. I have the heat on medium and I'm going to boil this for about 45 minutes. Let me go ahead and boil this and I'll show you in a little bit. So it has been boiling for about 15 minutes. Has been simmering for 45 minutes on medium heat, and I'm going to completely cool this down and I'm going to show you the next step. As you can see, it's not like very smooth. I like my hot sauce, any kind of sauce, to be very smooth in texture. So when this cools down, I'll show you the next step. Alright friends, so this hot sauce has completely cooled down. Like I said, you can have this just like this, but see, you can see there are some seeds, so I'm going to put it back into the glass, the grinder. Well, for this I used about 4 cups of vinegar. It's to a very smooth consistency. So let me go ahead and grind the rest of them. As you can see for yourself the difference from before and now. This is a very spicy sauce, so you got to be careful. If you cannot handle the spice, please cut the ingredient in half. And absolutely no water. And the vinegar what I used, it was 4 cups in total. And so let me show you when I'm jarring it. So I'm going to sterilize the mason jars or sanitize it. Unfortunately, I don't have a big pot, but if you do, it'll be great. So as you can see, I have included the lids as well. So but if you want the lids to be separately sanitized or sterilized, you can in a different pot, but I have just included all of them together, and I filled up the pot right to the maximum as I can because I don't have a big pot, and I did fill up the bottles with water right to the top. So I'm going to put the lid on, and I'm going to cover this and boil it on medium heat for about 20 minutes. Hey guys, so it's been on medium heat for about 20 minutes, as you can see. So I'm going to shut off the heat, and I'm going to remove these bottles, and I want to make sure this all dries up. No water, absolutely no water. Alright guys, so I'm all done. This is the hot sauce. Warned you not once but twice, it is extremely spicy. Okay friends, I'm all done with this hot sauce. It turned out fantastic. It tastes great, but I gotta tell you, it's very spicy. So if you're a spicy fan, you will love it. And I gotta thank my brother actually for teaching me this recipe so that I was able to share with you all. And I hope you guys will try this hot sauce recipe. Leave your comments, and if you like my video, give me a thumbs up. And if you guys find my channel interesting and you like it, hit the subscribe button and hit the bell icon right beside it. Till my next video guys, bye bye.